Go.
We're ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
My name is Marsha. I'm 34. I currently have 7 tattoos, and I'm going to get a little closer so I can show them to you. Here is my bone dragon. Here is my Indian head mask. This is my tribal dragon. Then on this side, the only thing I have on this side is my eagle. And on my back, which Rita will help me show. Wow. There we go. So all 3 of the black widow spiders I have on my back. You can let go now. Thank you. What I currently want is a BBW pinup girl about 8 inches, either in this spot right here or somewhere right here. And at the top I want it to say BBW forever. And the reason I want this tattoo is because I'm just tired of hearing people saying, oh, I'm so fat, I'm not beautiful, if you're fat, you're ugly. And, you know, I think I'm beautiful at my size now at 250, and when I was 350, I still was beautiful. And even though back in the day, you know, my mom and even the world today says, you know, if you're fat, you're not pretty, I want to show everybody that big is beautiful, and it's going to be on my arm forever. And who I'd like to do this tattoo is Garver, Darren, or Tim. All 3 of them do a great job when it comes to pinups. What am I forgetting, Rita?
Nothing at all.
No, there's one more thing I forgot, didn't I?
No.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it, right?
Carrie, is that everything?
I think that's it.
Okay, wait. One more thing I was going to also mention. I sent you guys a picture of me in a bustier and some panties, and I think I want to keep that look for the BBW tattoo. And I was thinking like this, having her on my arm, but I want her to be in a red bustier and pant, and I want her legs to look really big and fat, and big boobs coming out. Okay, that's it for me. Thanks.